Hello, good morning, everyone. I just finished completing my first round of disputes with Vivix, and I have had successfully 50% of deletions on my first round, which I'm very pleased. I have a little ways to go, and I'm very satisfied thus far in the results that I've received from Vivix. Um, if you're thinking about cleaning up your credit in order to have a better life, I encourage you to do so. And it will definitely change your life. It already has started to create a rainbow in my life. And I am excited that I'm on the road to having a prosperous, successful life. You need credit. You need credit. You need good credit in order to get what you want, to live how you want to live, and to prosper. I did it. I'm doing it, and so can you. Thank you.